Well, we explore basic fundamental information about the WinGet. So let's consider a scenario. If we have a system in which we installed number of applications like Visual Studio, SQL Server, Microsoft Office, Teams, Visio, and lots of other stuff related to my organizational requirements. But unfortunately, due to some spyware attack or due to some operating system misbehavior, the operating system got crashed. Now I need to build the system again. So it means that I need to do all this stuff again and again. It will take the resources, it will take the time, and it will take lots of hustle to do this work. So I just want to automate this process under a single command. So I just need to run a single command and all this happen automatically. So let's move and see how we can perform this task.
So now I'm on my Windows 11 machine and I just need to type the command winget list. So it will show me the list of all the installed application inside this operating system. So let's suppose that if this system got crashed or some due to some kind of malware attacks, due to some kind of spyware or system misbehavior, so I need to sit and installed all these application and provide all the licensing information, their repositories, their updates, and each and everything. So if I want to manage this hustle with the help of winget, so definitely it's really easier. So for that purpose, what I need to do is to export all these information into the single file. Okay, and when I installed operating system again, so I just need to import that file. So after the import of that file, all these application will be installed automatically with their specific version and information as well. So if I want to export all the information about the installed application, so the command is very simple. I just need to type winget export dash O, and then I need to define the path. So I just provide the C export, and over here uh, app list. Okay, I just hit enter and it will definitely export all the information. So whenever my this system got crashed due to any reason, so I just need to import this file after the newer installation, so it will automatically resolve all kinds of installation related task for me. So I just completed the task, and here if I want to go to the specific folder, and it's like export, and here I type the dir command, and here you can see app listing is available. And if I want to verify this, so on the C partition here the export folder is available, and if I want to open the app listing, so here just once, and the all specific information related with the application listed over here. So with the new installation, I just need to import this file with the simple command. Here I have the command over here, and I just need to winget, and I just need to provide import option from here. So it's really simple. We can manage this, and if I want to just type the winget command, so here we have the import option available over here. Here you can see the import option is available. So it's really easy. If you have any kind of disaster for any VM, for any OS, so you can easily handle with the winget.